Yes, my dear viewers, in the last class we have studied how to write the rational numbers in the form of P by Q. So, in this class, very important concept is there here, representing real numbers on the number line. So, how to represent the real numbers on the number line? Okay, let us take first example. I will take first example. They will ask like visualize 4.26 on the number line. Okay. So, first example is 4.26. I will take visualize 4.26 on the number line. So, this is the first example. This is the question. So, how to represent this 4.26 on the number line? 4.26, I will recall once again, 4.26 is the terminating decimal expansion. It is the rational number. Okay. So, first take one number line, draw one number line. First 4.26 is there. First you have to consider only 4.2. 4.2. First only you have to consider first digit 2 up to 2. 4.2 is lies between 4 and 5. So, it is in between 4.2 is in between what? 4 and 5. So, you have to start from 4 here. Totally you have to consider up to 5. In middle totally 10 marks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, here up to 5, 4 to 5. So, this is what 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. Okay. So, 4.2 is there here. Okay, 4.2, but we need 4.26. Next, we have to consider next digit 4.26 one by one. 4.26 is in between 4.2 and 4.3. 4.2 can be written as 4.20. 4.3 can be written as 4.30. So, in between these two 4.26 is there. So, next we have to consider one more number line. We have to consider one more number line. I will take here or here. So, take the one more line, number line. So, we have to start from, so 4.26 is in between what? 4.2 and 4.3. I have to start from here 4.2, 4.2, last one 4.3. So, first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So, last is 4.3 or 4.30. So, 4.2, after 4.2 I have to consider 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29, 4.30 or 4.3 itself. Yes, now where is 4.26? Here 4.26 is there. So, this is very important concept. So, visualize the rational numbers or real numbers on the number line. First, your job is to consider only first digit. After that, take again one digit. If you consider, for example, 5.134 is there, no? First, you have to consider only 5.1. After that, 5.13. After that, 5.134. So, this is what visualize the real numbers on the number line. I will take another example here. I will take the same question, but example number 2. Okay. So, example number 2 is visualize 5.428 I will take 3 digit 5.428. So, first one in the first step. So, 5.4 is in between 5 and 6. First of all, we have to consider one number line. Okay, start from 5 and end with 6. So, 5 after 5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9 and 5 start from 6. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9 and 6. Okay. So, 5.4 is in between 5 and 6. Okay. Next we have to consider next digit, that is 5.42. The 5.42 is in between, it is lies between 5.42, it is considered as 5.40, it is considered as 5.50. So, this 5.42 is in between 5.4 and 5.5. Take one more number line. Okay. So, one more number line here. Okay. So, you have to start with 5.4, end with 5.5. In between 5.42 is there. Okay. Start with 5.4. After that, consider as a 5.40. After that, 5.41, 5.42, 5.43, 5.44, 5.45, 5.46, 5.47, 5.48, 5.49 and 5.5 or 50. So, this is what very important. Okay, start with 5.41, 5.42, 5.43, 5.44, 5.45, 5.46, 5.47, 5.48, 5.49 and last is 5.5 or 50. So, this is what the second one 5.42. 5.42 is there here 5.42, but we need 5.428. So, consider next digit, last digit also. 5.428 is lies between, consider it is a 420, 430. Okay. 5.428 is lies between 5.42 to the 5.43. Okay. So, I will take one more number line here, start with 5.42, end with 5.43, 5.43, last number line here. So, consider, okay, consider start with 5.420 or 42 only. Okay, totally 10 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 5.421, 5.422, 5.423, 5.424, 5.425, 5.426. Okay. So, next 5.427, 5.428, 5.429 and the last number is 5.43. 5.43. So, where is 5.428? Here 5.428. This is what 5.428. So, this is what representing the real numbers on the number line. So, this is 5.428. If they have given 4.2 bar, you have to consider 2, it can be written as 4.2222 like that. Okay. You have to consider 2 to 3 digits up to, means 4.2222 up to, you have to consider only up to 2 digit. Okay. So, in the next class, you have to learn operations on the real numbers. Okay. Thank you.